Hey everyone, this is Odin again with another Java programming tutorial. Last episode we did something called the while statement that executed code as long as a certain condition returned true. So this episode I'm going to teach you a shortcut for the while statement. It's called the for statement. So while I go ahead and get our basic setup going. Alright, so if you remember, as I just said with the while statement, it took a bit of code to make. Now the for statement takes a lot less code. So why don't I go ahead and show you what it's like. So first of all, you type for, of course, and you put in a parentheses. So now before I actually make one, I'm going to show you the parameters. Alright, so you have your initialization parameter, your condition, and then your increment. Alright, and then you have your code that's executed here, right? Now, what you do is for the initialization, you initialize a certain variable. If you remember, like for the while statement, we initialize something called I. So let's go ahead and make I, let's initialize I to 0, right? So now we have to make a condition that has to be fulfilled every time that we want the code to be executed for. So if you remember, we did like while I was less than or equal to 5. Let's actually remake that exact one. Alright, so right there is our condition. So as long as I is less than or equal to 5, then this code is executed. So we have our initialization to 0, the condition, now the increment. If you remember, we used to do something like I++ every time, so I'm just going to do that. So as long as I starts out at 0, alright, so you check if it's less than or equal to 5, and it is. So then you add 1 to I, and then you execute this code, alright. So let's go and write out I. Alright. You don't need this last semicolon there. Remember, all of your arguments have to be separated by semicolon, except for the last one. You don't need a semicolon here because that's a syntax error. So let's go ahead and execute it, and it should print out 0 through 5, and it does. Alright, so we can do the same thing for, we want to print out 0 through 10. We just set the condition to be less than or equal to 10. Let's go check that out. And there you go, right? So you can see we can do the exact same stuff that we used to be able to do with the while statement. Suppose we want to do the numbers 10 through 20. Alright? Yeah, we can do that. So yeah, this is it's pretty nice shortcut for stuff like this. You can do more with the while statement, of course, but the for statement is a really good shortcut to do it quickly. Alright, so let's suppose we want to do 10 through 1, alright? So we can just do as long as I is greater than or equal to 1. Now, of course, you know how you can do add 1 each time. We can also do subtract 1 each time. Alright, so this will do 10 through 1. So this episode was pretty short. That's because we were just reinforcing a topic we learned last time, sort of, since it's a shortcut. So yeah, drop a like if you enjoyed this. If you're new, be sure to subscribe because I do programming tutorials a lot. And if you need help, because this is complicated, be sure to post down below. And yeah, as said, we do have a GitHub site. I'll be sure to link that down below. Yeah, I will see you guys later.